Everybody, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Override FX here, and I finally got a laptop that I can record and do things on, cause the computer in the other room was mad. I don't know what was wrong, but there was something wrong with the recording process, and as you guys can tell, took some pretty decent trades while you were gone. I haven't been locked in recently, but I did delete all previous chart data to kind of start fresh. So this trade I took on, I guess, November 25th. It was a quick sell. Where was I selling to? I was selling into this order block right here. I saw consolidation within the area, so I decided to hop in. Price hit the order block, easy W's in the chat. What was that? That was like a 1 to 3. Yeah, 1 to 3.8. Basically 1 to 4 is reward. And as for the second, price came up to, let me see. Yep, it was another order block, and this order block also created a fair value gap within the order block. So I knew that this had to be a strong pull for liquidity, and once price gets here, it's most likely going to sell off. And if we just keep going, oh gosh. When price got to that area, I did take the short. Originally, guys, it's funny, I was planning on shorting all the way down here, but Top Step does not allow kind of swing trading, so I couldn't hold the position for more than one day. And then the next day I became impatient and tried to go for the long, but thinking price would at least tap back into this area before falling back down. But price had other plans because it had already kind of tapped into this newly formed order block created, and then it just started selling. And then I was like, okay, I'm not mad because I got the trade yesterday, but I was kind of mad I couldn't hold out the trade longer, because if I had been in this trade longer, I would have let it play it out, stop loss or nothing. And then price fell. It just kept on falling, and I was like, where is price trying to fall to? But I did end up landing around this area. I think I kind of see the mistake I made, kind of. I know my chart's a little messy, but trust the process. Cool. And basically, price dipped, jumped up. I used the volume indicator, and I could tell there was a whole lot of volume up here. So this is where I made the mistake. I knew price wanted to come back down into this high area because I knew there were more orders to be filled there. So after price had a strong rejection, I kind of thought that the market was going to continue being bullish, but I forgot that sell side liquidity was still right here, and price action actually went back to tap into that sell side liquidity. And we also have a minor order block within that area of sell side liquidity. So I should have known that markets would have still been bearish, but basically I missed this trade. Let price play out all the way down here. Actually, first price played out here, and I entered the buy. You can obviously tell that did not go well. Stop loss smashed. And then second trade again. Waited for price to come back down to that key area. Price entered. I entered the long, and stop loss smashed again. To be honest with you, I don't know why price didn't buy. I don't know why it just kept on falling. But hopefully, as the day goes on, market starts returning bullish again. And yep, this is falling. Anyways, because really, my entire daily bias yesterday was wrong. Because yesterday I thought that the daily that the daily bias was bullish, which is why I avoided the sell and waited for price to hit within this area to enter the buy. Um, I mean, to be honest with you, if my daily bias was bearish, I would have entered the short and just taken this trade. But since I thought it was bullish, I waited for price to get there for a way better risk reward. Because imagine if this area right here was an area of reversal, I could have like literally maybe even taken out these London highs up here. But yeah, kind of sucks, but hey, it is what it is. And I couldn't take any trades today because I asked Alexa to set an alarm, and I woke up and she's unplugged from the wall. Like what? But that's the trade recap for today. And also, while I was gone, unfortunately, I did lose the funded. I did lose the funded. But I took 1, 2, 3 demo trades just to get my minds back into the zone, and I will be reactivating the thing next week. But I still will be waking up and continue doing demo trades still next week. Next week I'm reactivating the funded, getting this going. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I mean, it kind of sucks. Stop step doesn't allow us to hold trades longer, and also the fact that we have to close positions by like 4:30 or 5. I think, I don't even know. Somewhere around that time, we gotta close all positions. But if we didn't have to, I would have held this short. I guarantee it. And especially if price action, if PA blew past this sell side liquidity, I would have automatically known that it's targeting this right here. No doubt. Look at that, 1 to 17. That is the trade I was planning on taking. Like, if you check the Discord, that is literally the trade I was planning on taking. But I guess Price and Top Step had other plans. But it was a really major move, so I did know it was going to take at least 1 to 2 days for it to fully play out. Hey, man. And if I had, like, right here, oh no, sorry, it's a bit laggy. Right here is where I was impatient. If I had been patient and, taken the sell to down here, oh my days, that would have been easy eats. But hey, it is what it is, bruh. It is what it is. Alright, that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and let me know if you want more edits. I think I'm gonna start making trading edits or whatever. But see y'all later. How do I end this shit? Oh shit.